What's going on, everybody? Straight to the point. Got a new toy I just recently ordered. So this is a wallet, and it's called the Ridge wallet, titanium. I've been looking around for a good wallet recently, because the recent one that I have been using, the first one I had was courtesy of my wife. She gave me a Majora's Mask one. Pretty dope, pretty awesome. I had it throughout the whole course of our relationship. I've been using this one since it's been dwindling, but I don't like it. It's cool and all, but the reason I don't like it is because of how big and bulky it is. And granted, it keeps everything all like secure and organized. I don't like it because of the fact that it's so big and bulky. I'm not feeling that. So instead, I got this one, and apparently this one is like straight to the point, like to the point where it looks almost so thin that you don't even have anything on it, and that looks pretty cool to me, in my opinion. So this is it. This is exactly what it looks like. And what's cool about this is apparently you can officially hold, it expands up to 1 to 12 cards, RFID blocking, and it has a whole lifetime warranty. So the cool thing about it is, so just to give you guys a quick look at what I'm dealing with, it is actual titanium. It has a money clip, so any money that you actually have, you can carry with you. And yeah, pretty straightforward. I actually like this. I dig this a lot. And the other additional pieces that come with this, there you are right there. Apparently there's a whole screw in here, so you can add more layers to it. And there you go, the additional screws. Simple, straight to the point, nothing else, none of that extra nonsense. So this was in here, and it says, getting started. Instructions are complicated. We do not do complicated. Empty your wallet, keep what you need, and toss the rest. Push out the cards using the cutout, and fan them using your opposite hand. Keep 2 most used cards at the front and back of the wallet to maximize accessibility. Use the included Torx screwdriver to make modifications to the wallet, i.e. swap the money clip to okay. Guaranteed for life, military grade. Your wallet, if you feel like your wallet isn't functioning properly, lose screws, visit us and we'll make it right. So I think I did a good buy right here, because I'm honestly sick and tired of getting new wallets throughout the course of the years. So I don't know, this is just something I wanted to showcase for you guys, because if you need a good legit wallet, they range from maybe $50 to $200. I went in the middle ballpark, and this one was literally $105. Not bad. If it's gonna be for life and I want to keep it for life, then I think this is good. I think this is cool. So I'm gonna try it out and we'll see what happens. Again, this is what I had before. So they weren't kidding when you said you can use it as a fan. It's pretty nice. I like this. This is something that I would keep legit for the rest of my days. And you just put them all back in, just like that. And the cool thing about it, the money clip right on the back, you're good to go. So let me know what you guys think about this. If anybody is interested, I think I would keep this for a very long time. This is something for longevity rather than switching wallets or wallets that get ruined like throughout the course of the years. So yeah, it's pretty tight. As always, it's a pleasure. Like, comment, let me know what you guys think. This is Chumba, signing out. Later.